As the saying goes, there are many ways to catch a rat. And today I'm going to show you one of the many ways you can make your tomato paste. You can get your tomato ready for your jollof rice and your stew. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. Today I am going to show you one of the ways you can get your tomatoes ready. It is easy, it is clean, it is very simple. Please like this video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share my videos. Thank you very much. The ingredients that I'm using are tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, fresh garlic, and onions. I will wash and clean out everything and then pour little oil on top of the garlic. Put everything in an oven tray and place in the oven for like 30 minutes to dry. The oven will dry out the water in the tomatoes, pepper and onions, and also the garlic. You don't need to peel off the garlic. It will come off all by itself. Very easy. Then the next step is to grind everything together. Because the water has already been dried up in the oven, you don't need to, after grinding it, pour it into a pot and start cooking it for it to dry. You already have your tomatoes almost ready. Just grind it and it is ready for you to use for your stew or for your jollof rice. As easy as it seems. That is it. Just look at how it came out. Easy, clean, beautiful, and ready to be used. You can store this in the fridge. If you don't have a fridge, you can store it in an airtight container and use it anytime. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you try this at home. If you don't have an oven, you can grind all the ingredients together and then sieve it to remove the water, and you have it ready for use. Please don't forget to like this video, click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I make a new video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.